What's up, guys? It's Brandon Flash. Today you're joining me in White Bear Lake, Minnesota, and we are at a brand new IONNA Rechargery relay. As I mentioned, we are in White Bear Lake, Minnesota, right off of 694, right behind me there. And we are at a brand new 10-stall IONNA Rechargery relay with 5 Alpatronic HYC 400s. And let me give you guys a full tour and show you some of the changes that IONNA has made to respond to feedback. So as I mentioned, this site right off of 694, so you can basically get off right there, take a right, take another right, and then you're right in here. We're at a Culver's, which is kind of a fast casual restaurant known for their butter burgers. If you're from the Midwest, you're definitely familiar with Culver's, but they're also in other markets as well. And then here we have a Docks Sports Grill, or Docks Landing Sports Grill. Never been there. I think it's kind of a local chain kind of thing. Then we've got a motorcycle here. So here we have a 1500 kVA transformer. Let's see what the utility is here. It looks like Excel Energy. And then here we have the distribution cabinet. Let's see if we can find a label on this. I don't see any labels on here, but I'm gonna guess this is probably a 3000 amp or so. Here we have an emergency electrical disconnect, but hopefully this helps mitigate some of the nuisance trips from people that just trip it for funsies, I guess, because it has the little hammer and you actually have to break something to press the button. You can't just like run up and smash it. Close that. We have a little step down transformer, probably for some of the auxiliary gear. Looks like they've got some conduits there, maybe Ethernet to go in a box here. Not entirely sure, but they've got those stubbed up and capped. And then here we have the accessible stall. So this one is an accessible EV charging use last sign. We also have bollards here, of course. So they have an access aisle here. They've got this charger installed at grade with the access path here. So some of the changes, so now if you go into the UI, you'll see these little kind of cards. So you'll see the credit card option, plug-in charge with the compatible vehicles, so BMW, Cadillac, Chevrolet, Genesis, GMC, Hyundai, and Mercedes-Benz, and coming soon to more. So that's showing confirm the vehicle is compatible and then plug in. Credit card, you start on the credit card reader, so you can see here, select your connector, present your payment, plug in. They also clarify how the credit card hold works. So if you tap on here, you'll see that it will charge you a $50 hold, or at least it did on the other one that I was just using, or maybe once you tap. App start, so you can use ChargePoint, Kia Access, Mercedes Me, my BMW, my Cadillac, my Chevrolet, my GMC, my Hyundai, or my Hyundai with Blue Link, Shell, and Stellantis free to move charge with more to come. Here you can see the pricing, so 34 cents a kilowatt hour. This is the promo rate right now for the 4th of July holiday. And you can also see the support number there as well. A little bit different starting screen. I'm already charging, but nothing really to note there. But you'll see also some slightly different signage. So up here, instead of just saying big CCS, it actually shows the kind of connector silhouette. And then it also shows that down here as well. So kind of to help clarify a little bit for users that may not be as familiar with EV charging. Here we'll come to one of the normal stalls, if you will, the non-ADA stalls. So it is up on a curb, so you would park here, and then step up, and then you can do your activation and everything here. Let me show you what it's like when you are charging. So it looks like we just hit 80%, so it's slowing down dramatically. So here you can see cost detail. So $8.40, 25 kilowatt hour charging detail. There's that lovely 80% drop on Ford vehicles, but we did peak at 170 kilowatts with an average of 112 kilowatt hour. So let's actually stop charging. Stop. Yes. We'll see what the receipt and kind of final info screen looks like. So there we have $8.51 to go from 64 to 81%. We'll hit cost detail. Charging detail. So some good info there. We'll unplug, return the connector. And let's check out the NACS chargers as well. And just like the other ones, so they have NACS and they have NACS up there. So great to see IONNA expanding into a new market, Minnesota into the Midwest. And I believe these are the first hyperchargers kind of in the Midwest, which is awesome to see. Well, anyway, if you guys haven't already, definitely hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you guys for watching.